Mm. See, everybody check it in your Ubuntu. Are you able to having cluster app? I'm showing in front of you. Oh, anyway, what professional time I can see Ubuntu. There if you check it, there kubectl get nodes. Nodes. See, are you able to see here? This is the kind related cluster. Kind means everybody know. Hemant, do you know the abbreviation of kind? KIND. KIND stands for Kubernetes in Docker.
Doc.
Kubernetes in Docker. Generally, wherever, whenever any faculty or every faculty, if it is Ubuntu or Linux related environment, 100% they will go with Minikube only. Minikube. See, Minikube is only for learning purpose, student level. But kind is company level, or maybe you can able to say just real time. That's why I installed kind in my system. See, if you want to install kind, very simple thing. First, you need to check Docker. Docker, check it. Docker is working right. Docker, maybe Docker images. Images. See, now if it is Docker is working, very simple. You may go to ChatGPT. There we give two commands only. How to install kind in Ubuntu. How to install kind in Ubuntu. Even I may show you in front of you. Suppose if anyone is not having, not having, there I move on here. There, just observe. There's ChatGPT. Kind install kind in what happened? Control A, delete, Control A, install, NSTAL, install kind in Ubuntu 24.04 because of I am having 24.0 install kind in Ubuntu. They make you their way. We may check it. I think someone is going to join. Who is that? Where is the right screen? This one on the right. Good evening. Okay. See, check it here. What I am trying to explain, I am going to show you how to install kind, right? How to install kind. See my here. I think Hammond for your purpose only I am using. This is up to this which purpose Hammond you may able to see simply. This is purely for a Docker. These commands purely for if not having Docker, then only you can go this. See step by step install kind. Very simply, they are going to download. See, everybody know in Linux command current URL. By using URL, you are going to download required maybe file, maybe zip file or general file. One folder it will download it. There we are giving permission for this change mode, executable permission. It make you one script, shell script like that. They are simply sudo. We are moving those things into kind. This is the folder bin kind. And finally, you may see kind version. Now we are going to create a cluster. That much of simple. Hemant, is it okay for you? Till now, I hope you are not having kind or you are having kind already in your Ubuntu.
No, sir, I have to install. Today I'll
Okay,
install.
you try it,
Yeah.
or else I'll provide. Maybe if not possible, at that time you will ping me. I may just log in. Maybe there we can
Yeah, sir.
tell
Sure.
you what to do.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Someone also trying to join. Someone is trying to join. Very good evening, ma'am. Right. See, my intention, everybody having kind of UCTL, get notes. If it is there, very easy to work. Step one. Step two, there I provided one folder for you, zip folder. See, observe in this. There, this folder I provided. One more thing, one step back. See, Hemant, in our WhatsApp group, helm master class. One zip folder I provided already. Just you try to download it, extract it. After extraction, see in yesterday class we have seen up to 1, 2, 3. Today we need to enter into Helm upgrade with chart version. Already, I hope those things also I explained. But anyway, I'm going to chronological order one by one. Shall I move on to this one? Helm upgrade.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, 99% here readme files are there. Readme files are there. Readme file purpose is only for a documentation. Based on this documentation only, we are going to work. Maybe in real time also they may provide documentation. Based on that, we can implement it. See, everybody know Helm install. Are you agree with me? What is the use of? Anyone can respond. What is the use of Helm? Why do we learn Helm? At least if I ask you, maybe tell me one line answer or maybe one sentence answer. Why do we learn Helm?
Package managers.
It is a package manager for whom? Okay, it is. Okay, good. Next, the
Yes.
next. See, we can simplify the deployment. Very, but what is the simple answer means? We can simplify the deployment. Very simple way to deploy KTS applications by using help. Not only help, Argo CD also same way. Argo CD is the maybe multi-cluster implementation. Maybe after 10 days, we may enter into Argo CD also. There we may feel very good. There we may get better feeling. Okay, this is good, you may feel. Now Helm search repo. See, Hemant, if I use Helm search repo, whatever the repos you added to your cluster, you may able to see. Whatever the repos you added, you may able to see. See, in my system, in my node, Helm search repo. See, check it. Or see, so many charts are there, right? Actually, Helm repo, Helm repo, list list. See how many repositories are there? There Bitnami one, stack simplify another. Is it okay for you? Two repos are there. Two repos are there. Each repo having multiple charts. I hope this command is clear for you. There where is Visual Studio? Here is Helm search repo. See Helm search repo, repository name, including chart name also, including chart. Next, Helm status. Helm status. See, what does it mean? See, I may going to there Helm Helm ls. See, till now, any releases are there? Observe or tell me anyone. Suppose I want to get one release. What to do? Quick response. I want to get here. I want to see at least one release. What shall I do? Either you may use
Helm install.
or Helm upgrade. Either Helm install or Helm upgrades. Generally observe, without installing, we can't upgrade. First, you need to install. Tell me, Ma, there my intention is I want to install my chart 3. Anyone can guide me? How can I install my chart 3? This one you need to copy. This is the registry, or you may call it as a repository. This is the chart. Try to understand. This one you need to copy. Copy this. Next, what to do? Guide me. Helm,
Helm install.
HELM, Helm install. Good. Then release name, right?
Release name.
Release name. Maybe we may give chart 3. I am giving like that. Chart 3. Whatever the name you can give, then you need to paste it. You may think like this is the repository and this is what about chart. Enter it. See, chart got installed. Chart got installed. See, quickly I want to see the output. Anyone can guide me? This is installed. Okay. I want to see output on the browser. Maybe I am giving 5 minutes time for you. Within 5 minutes, based on your maybe whatever the way you say, I want to see output on the browser. Yes. First, what will you do? kubectl get kubectl kubectl get svc, right? Okay, we need to check. Here, chart 3, my chart 3, which chart 3, what it represents? Release name. My chart 3 represents chart name.
Chart name.
Good, good. This is node port, right? Clearly is there. Clearly is there. But in general, we need to take either cluster IP or maybe See, kubectl, I may tell another way, it may work or not. Kubectl get nodes, you know, right? Hyphen O wide. Their IPs you may see somewhere. Their control plane IPs. Check it and tell me where is the control plane IPs. There, which is the proper IPs. This is, I think, 172.18.02 is the right one. Maybe. Or agree with me? Yes.
Yes.
Good. We may check it. This is also one way of accessing output. Copy it. Copy it. They are going to take the new tab. Control V colon. What is the node port number? Node port number. You have seen, right? There, where is that? 31.
31232.
Okay. 21. 31 or 21? 31, right? 31232. 31. 31232. Let me check. Okay, this is not working. That is the internal problem, not our problem. Our intention is we need to see the output. Multiple ways to gather. Maybe this way is not working. No problem. We'll go other way. What is the other way? Maybe kubectl. No, ifconfig, right? Ifconfig. There we may gather Ethernet. Where is the Ethernet? This is the originally this is the right IP. Copy this and paste it over here and check it. Even that too not possible, we need to go for port forward. Port forward. Now control V, just enter. Okay, good, no problem. Quickly we may port forward this. There, copy this, enter. kubectl get SVC, get SVC. There I am copying this one. I am going to port forward. So I click. Control V, port forward to this. kubectl, they may give port forward, then they may give service name. Say kubectl port forward, their local host, edit SVC, cluster IP. Very simple. This one you need to paste it. Now copy this. Simply paste it on the meter. See, are you able to see the output? This one already everybody know. Everybody know. Okay? Good. Now according to our theory, helm status, helm search repo, helm status you want to see, right? Helm status. Now check it. I'm going to take new tab, How to take? Again, you go for UB. You may get one more tab. Got it? Helm ls. This is the release name. Helm status, then release name. What is the release name? Chart 3. If I am not wrong, you may be able to see. See? Helm status. Status. What is the status? It got deployed. Which revision we are going to use? Revision 1. Any difficulty? How to work with Helm status? No, right? Good. Then I'm going to now Helm upgrade. Which purpose we are going to upgrade? The internal things. I said somewhere patch. Patch means what? A part of the existing document or part of the chart, if you want to modify, it is the patch. Here by using Helm upgrade with hyphen set option. Helm upgrade with hyphen set option. Why we are going to upgrade? We are going to change image version. We are going to change image version. At that time, we need to go. We need to go. Someone is trying to join. Who is that? Really good evening.
Good
No,
evening.
good, good, good. Somewhere check it. Here we are going to have the upgrade. Helm upgrade is there. Check it. See, helm upgrade. See, shall I take this? According to our scenario, my chart 3 I took. But they given my chart 2. Maybe we may change the version. We may change the version. Same thing I am taking. We have observed here. I will try to modify our way. There, copy this, and pasting here. If I am not wrong, this is the right one. Good. Now quickly guide me. And what happened? Not copied properly. Right click, copy, paste it. Yes. Try to tell me. Helm upgrade. This is a chart 3, right? Chart 3 good. Now here also. What is the name? Chart 3 only. CHART chart 3. Now I'm leaving. Previous version is maybe 0.1.0 maybe. Yes or no? You may ask me, no, no, sir. I want to know first, then only we can upgrade. Yes. I want to know. I think already you have seen, right? Yes, sir. Absolutely. Where is that? I think 1.0.0 or maybe something is there. Yes. Wait, wait. What happened, ma? My chart 3 matching 0 dot not found in stack simplify index. Such a number is not there in that. Such a number is not there. We may try to do little modification. There may be chart 3, such numbers not there. Then we may go for, we may check for versions, chart 3 versions. How can I check? Quick guidance. What to do? Cube CTL. Now help, search, repo, stack simplify. I think here name already there, right? Right click. I want to use that name only. Here versions I am going to take. I want to see the versions. I want to see the versions. My chart 3 and search repo. Am I correct, right? Check it. What happened, ma? Hyphen versions. Why it is not giving helm search repo? Correct only. Module center. Only 1.0.0 is there. I think there is no other versions, ma. I hope no versions. Hyphen versions. Able to see. Only one version is there. That is the problem. Only one version is there. Okay, cool. If chapter 2, maybe other version is there. If chapter 2, are you understanding or not? Here, I may install any other, I think version is correct. Now I may install once again chapter 2. Based on that, we'll discuss. Now helm, up arrow, where I am modifying this one. 2, I may go with again chapter 2. Helm install. There CHART chart 2. Of course, this is clear. By default, maybe 1 point something may install. Now see, I think any difficulty, port problem, right? Port conflict is there. There helm ls. There first I need to remove helm uninstall. CHART chart 3 first. Now we are going to install chart 2. Already name is there, right? Field name is there. I may go with chart 22. It may work. Maybe some number I am giving. Now see, it got installed. Now I think you are able to see any revision numbers. Maybe helm history. I may go with helm history. Helm history. I'm able to see. HISTOR, history, spelling correct only, right? Then we go for release name. Now see here, chart version 0.4.0 is the latest. App version 4.0.0. We are going to modify some other version. What is the some other version? Already we have seen, right? 0.2.0. 0.2.0. Somewhere we took, I think. Helm upgrade. What was the name? Chart 22. You know it. You know it. Stack simplify. My chart 2. Then version is 0.2.0. Wherever 0.4.0 is there, we can go with. Now see, it may upgrade. Upgraded or not? Now I want to see all this is the revision 2. Quickly response. I want to see all the revisions. What is the command? Very simple answer. History. By using history. Now Helm history already you have seen, right? See. Now see the versions are observing. Now previous version 0.4.0. What is the latest version? 0.2.0. This is the previous is superseded. The current is deployed. Till now anyone facing any difficulty? If no, we're moving to next step. What Hemant clear? Hemant, here is very
Yes.
simple things. Just following the document, implementing, just understanding. That's all. See,
Okay,
so
sir.
many things are there internal. So many things are there internal because of maybe I think day one class. If you observed or not, I don't know. Day one class means we will go like this. Helm create. See, helm create hammer. See CD HEMANTH. Now see tree. See these many things are there hammer. If you go your chart or if you go my chart or if you go ABC company chart, they may have by default these things. Here, these 15 days, we are going to learn each one, each file, maybe each folder. Clearly, we are learning. Maybe in future, they may give the task. We can easily understand. We can easily modify. We can easily implement. This is our intention. Totally. Someone is trying to join. Guna, good evening. Now, one step back. Now, help ls. See, till now, I think failed chart. No need, right? Shall I remove it? There, how to remove? Anyone respond? Voice. Help. Uninstall. Ins. Uninstall. What is the name? Chart 2. CHART. CHART 2. Yes. Now help. Ls. Helm ls is different. Helm repo ls is different. See, check it. Helm repo ls. See, repositories. Helm ls means deployed applications. That's what release names. Each release is one deployment. Each release is one deployment. Here, terminology is very, very important. Good. Now go to documentation. Now see, according to document, again we will go for the beginning. See, Helm upgrade, you know, right? Rollback. What does it mean, rollback? The name itself. Revision. Current to, see, new revision to old revision. New revision to old revision. Shall we go for just? Now, how many revisions are there here? Observe. Maybe Helm history, right? Helm history. The release name, CHART chart to work. See, revision. I'm into. I want to move to one. What to do? Helm rollback. Helm rollback. Or OLLPS. Shall I press enter? See, it may move. If you see again history, you may see that. See, at the end, roll back to which revision? First revision. Here, 100 revisions are there. I am at 100. I want to move to 50. What is the command quick response? Helm rollback, release name, then 50. What does it mean? I am directly rolling back to so and so specific revision. Is it good, right? Very simple. See, even deployment in KTS, if you have to go hyphen 2 hyphen revision is equal to, compared to Kubernetes, Helm is very, very, very easy. If you learn Kubernetes, Helm is simple. If you don't know Kubernetes, again Helm is little difficult. Okay, good. Now again moving to my Helm rollback. Just now we have seen, right? Helm history also we have seen. By using Helm history, what we are going to check? Different revisions. Different revisions. Good to go. I think 99% I finished this one. If anything different is there, we are going to check. Their Helm list you have seen. Their upgrade, you can upgrade it multiple. Sure, this is important. Helm status also very, very important. What I said, if you don't know Helm status, if you don't know Helm status, somewhere I said three commands. See, once you install a chart, I think the chart contain multiple things, right? Helm, not Helm, kubectl, get PO, one command. You may able to see kubectl get DEPLOY deployment, kubectl get SVC, kubectl get RS. See, these many things are there, right? These many things in one glance, if you want to able to see, now tell me, help, what is the command? Status, right? See, check it. What I said here, help, help, status. Release name, hyphen show resources. Helm status, helm status. Status. What is the release name? Chart 22. Hyphen show hyphen resources. Resources. See all the resources. You are able to see deployment. You are able to see service. You are able to see parts. Why are you not able to see replica set? Replica set is under the part of deployment. Replica set is internal path. That's why it is not showing. If you want it, you can see. If you want it, you can see. And now up to this, anyone facing any difficulty? If not, we are moving to another folder, another chapter. In each folder is one chapter. Every day, maybe I am providing for you video. You may try to finish that video, listening. You try to implement it. Very easy to learn help. For me, it was taking 6 months for learning help. For me, why? Personally, I am learning. I didn't take any instructions from anybody. Maybe that means, sometimes maybe individual learning is time take. Group study is very easy to learn. Maybe I'm providing for you group study. Try to interact with others also. Maybe what I'm trying to say, maybe morning 11 o'clock, maybe 2 to 3 members together will work with our concepts. Maybe they are sitting, they are trying to share your resources. Very easy to learn, very easy to understand if you follow such a way. Anyway, I'm going to next chapter. Next chapter. Now observation. I think now just 4 is finished, right? Check it. Now we are moving to fifth one. Helm uninstall. Already we worked with, right? Yes. Maybe they are giving key pistol. This is very powerful. In real time, this is very useful. But even real time people also doesn't know that concept. But they are not implementing. Even my brother also not implementing. They are facing so many problems. Why they are not implementing? Superior what they will say, we will implement that one only. We don't take our own instructions. If we take our own, everything is fine, they will appreciate. Something going wrong, they will tell. And I said, very simple answer. At that time, very complex to manage the things. That's what I have done. See Helm list, Helm ls we have seen, right? See these mainly three commands they are going to discuss. Helm list, Helm list, Helm list. See, if you see Helm list, observe carefully. There, where is the prompt? This one? Not this one. Not this one. Where I am in? I hope. Now Helm, ls, right? This is which one? Release, right? Yes. Release, good. Now, I want to see the history first. What history will tell? Superseded and deployed both will see. Suppose we did 1,000 times more. our history having 1,000 revisions. Got it or not? I want to see deployed one. I want to see superseded one. Both I want to see. Very simple way. Helm history. Helm history. HISTORY. What is the name? CHART. Chart 22. Good. Are you able to see both? Yes. Our intention, I want to see only either deployed or superseded. See space, hyphen, hyphen, what they're giving. Helm list, superseded. We may check. Helm list first. Helm list first. You may see Helm list. Now Helm list, hyphen, hyphen, SUPR, super, SEDED. Super. Spelling correct हो गया right? Double is superseded. One and two, superseded. Now in the same way, deployed. In the same way, deployed. See, are you able to see? Which revisions are superseded, which revisions are deployed. Is it good, right? Now, helm history and also list release history. See, helm uninstall, this is the powerful thing, helm uninstall. See, why do see once I am showing in front of you what was the problem if I use general uninstall? General uninstall. Maybe I may uninstall in front of you, again reinstall it. Help uninstall. I hope you know uninstall. What is the name of the release? CHRT chart. See, uninstall, right? What happening here? Helm ls. See, today, maybe this minute I uninstalled. After 1 minute, I realized, oh, this is not the right version to uninstall. But anyway, I uninstalled. I want to roll back. Can I roll back here? Not possible. If you provide hyper keep history, then you can roll back. Otherwise, you can't roll back. Are understanding what I'm trying to say? If you provide keep history, history means where somewhere we are storing those details. Something happened, those details I am storing. If I am not applying keep history, it will remove. So you may not roll back. You may not roll back. Is it okay for you? Good. Maybe we may try for some people may feel, sir, Helm history, try to apply. Helm history. What is that? Release name, right? Chart 22. We may try in this way. What happening here? There are no revisions. Yes. There is no release. That's why I can't provide revisions. Is it okay for you? Good. Now again I'm install. Maybe somewhere it is there, right? Helm install command. Helm install. Quickly. This is right? I may go with maybe default revision, no problem. Helm install we need. Helm install. INSTAL install. See, it got installed. Okay. Now I am going to uninstall. Uninstall. See, helm uninstall. There hyper keep history. Hyper keep. See, uninstall helm release with hyper keep history black. Okay, good. Helm uninstall. Uninstall. What is that, ma? Chart 22. Chart 22. Chart 22. Hyphen keep to E, hyphen HIST. Keep history. Am I correct? Yes. Now, helm history, HIST or history. So now, what is that? Chart 22. Chart 22. You may able to see or not? First checking. See? You may able to see uninstalled versions. Is it okay for you? If possible, we may check it. Helm history. Okay, history only just I given, right? Uninstall. Generally, history will show what? One is the superseded, another one is what, my deployed. Even we can able to see uninstalled also. We may try rollback. Shall we go for rollback? Helm rollback or OLL? Yes, rollback. Only one revision is there, right? Yes. I think we may check it what happened. Error release has no revision. Zero version. What happening? Anything? Shall I provide this number? Yeah. Rollback was succeeded. Now see my kubectl get SVC. Are you able to see right? Are understanding? See, unfortunate things happen. We can easily manage. When we can easily manage in the helm, hyphen hyphen, keep hyphen, history is the good flag. Now everybody understood? This is one of the powerful concept in helm. Is it okay for you? Helm list. See, only uninstalled ones you want to see. Just like hyphen hyphen superseded, hyphen hyphen history. In the same way, hyphen hyphen uninstalled. Hyphen hyphen uninstalled. Helm status, in Helm, at least 5 folders if you follow from sixth folder onwards, 90% again and again and again, same commands. Maybe after 1 week you may tell, sir, why are you telling again and again same thing? Those commands only we are having. There is no new commands. Only little bit flags will change. Helm history, Now check it here. Any new thing is there? Then only I can talk with you. See, Helm status, okay, works only when we use hyphen hyphen keep history. What they are going to tell? Once you apply keep history, then only you can, what will you do? Roll back. Otherwise, you can't roll back. That thing they are going to explain. Helm rollback, revision name, Helm rollback, and also revision, right? Yes. Helm list, Helm get pods, Helm get SVC, kubectl get SVC. Remaining things are calm. Uninstall we have seen, right? Helm list, hyphen uninstall. I think uninstall one's not there, maybe. Helm, Helm list hyphen on install. Because of rollback, right? Yes. Already rollback uninstall. Got it or not? Yes. Now check this one. Try to interact with me. Rollback we have seen. I already implemented. See man, this message already you have seen, I hope. Without using hyphen hyphen keep history, if you try to roll back, it won't roll back. We have seen, I think. Once you use hyphen hyphen keep history, then only you can roll back. Already we roll back. See, it is recommended to always use hyphen keep history black for following reasons. What is the reason? Keeping track of uninstalled releases, quick rollback if that release is required. The shop tree is 100% important if you want to work with big MNC companies. See, someone installed that is working. Unfortunately, we uninstall. We can't do anything. Again, they will provide release name, chart name. Again, you need to reinstall. That is not good. Same version, you want to get it means you need to roll back. When you can roll back, if you uninstall one, try to, if you maintain, keep history. Is it clear for you? Anyone facing any difficulty, please respond. We may move on to see, fourth is finished. I think this is the fifth one, right? Just now I am in. Am I right? Yes. Fifth one. Now in the same way, we may go for sixth. See, for me, look like very simple. For you, you need to digest the words properly. You need to implement multiple times. Even maybe after 2 to 3 days, I may provide only 10 questions on Helm. Wherever you go, any MNC company, only those 10 questions only they will ask. Only those 10. Okay? Maybe after 1 week I will provide. Today, if I provide, again you may ask, you may see some technical words are there, new words are there. You may sometimes confuse. That's why after 1 week I may provide for those questions. Okay, again I'm going to one more folder. Now see, what is this one? Helm install generated, generated name, right? Yes. What does it mean? For each release, we may give one name, right? But system is telling, no. Maybe see, I already, Jenkins, right? Many people know, right? Jenkins pipeline, assume you are running Jenkins pipeline. Sometimes system will take the name, dynamic name. Maybe I may give one little Think Docker run. I think I may create in front of you. You may easily understand. Tell me, I think Monica, I want to NGNX only I want to install by using Docker. Quick response. Docker run good. Docker run. After that, you tell me, I am typing. Docker run good. After that, what to do? Generally, we may give hyphen name. Are you agree with me? Then you may give one name. Maybe my NGINX. Are you agree with me? After that, anyone respond?
Hyphen image.
Hyphen D according to NGNX, right? Hyphen P 80, maybe 85 I'm giving, maybe 80 some one may occupy, I don't know, maybe 80. Are you observing? Then you may give NGNX. This is the right format. Are you agree with me? Shall I press enter? Enter. What happening? Observe. See, now tell me what is the container name here? Quick response. I am asking to you. What is the name of the container name? My good. That is the right answer. See, but sometimes I may not give the container name. System will generate. System will generate. Are you understanding? Are you? I don't want to set the container name. What system will do? System will generate. How system will generate? Here in Docker also, see, I am going to little bit modification. There I am removing this one. Good for you. Okay, I'm not telling. There I'm changing port publishing. Maybe 86, that 85 already occupied, right? Now shall I press enter? Observe carefully. One more. Now see kubectl, not kubectl, Docker PS, right? Yes. Now see the small difference for 85 and 86, right? Are you agree with me? Where is 85? This is, you may see. This is for 85. What is the name of the container? Quick response. For 86, what is the name of the container? Naughty Kilby. Everybody understood, right? If you don't specify who is taking care, container, whatever, Docker daemon is taking care to give the name. Same procedure in Helm also having. Same procedure in Helm also having. We are specifying release name till now. If I don't want to specify release name, who will take care? Who will take care? Helm will take care. Why it will take care? Sometimes see, if I try to install, maybe again I am telling in front of you, you may understand. Or Helm ls, right? Helm ls observe. This chart 22 already there are not quick response. There, right? Now what I am trying to do, Helm install. Helm install. Now take one. Maybe I may go with Helm install already. And there I took Hemant one name, right? Are you observing? See ls hyphen LTR. One chart I created Hemant. Everybody understanding, right? See, I am trying to install this. Helm install. Helm install. See, what is the name? Chart 22. I don't know. Someone given this, but I didn't see. But I am trying to use same name. That conflict may occur, right? What is the conflict means? You know the meaning of conflict. That name already exists. Again, I want to use same name. What it will say? Hey, this name already used by someone else. I am not able to create. Are you understanding, everybody? Now what to do? I am using Hemant. Hemath. See, I in front of you, I am doing first 23 ma. It will work or not, at least respond. It may work. No, no problem. But I am trying observe. Chart is deployed. But what I am trying to say, I am going to use again 22 Azure. What happens? Anyone respond? What system is telling? Are you observing? See, error, installation failed, cannot reuse a name that is still in use. Now, in pipeline concept, who is taking care to give the names? Are you observing? In pipeline, Pipeline concept will generate new names, dynamic names, not static names. See, this is the static naming convention. Static naming convention. System doesn't know already existing one or not. If not existing, it will create. If already existing, it will give an error. At that time, automatically system will generate new name, that is the dynamic names, by using this concept. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Yes. Where is that folder? This one only, right? Yes. Now click on which one? Which one? Generated tree. Good. Open this. Now helm install. See, shall I go this? What happens? See my helm install common. Only what is the flag? Hyper generate name. Hyphen generate. Now after install, generally what I may specify quick response. Generally what we specify is release name.
Yes.
And but same command I'm going to take even Hemant only. See, I'm not specifying name. I'm telling to helm. Hey helm, you will take care hyphen. There, what is the flag mark? Generate name. Generate generate hyphen name. See, it got installed. I may go for once again. Once again. See, now help. ls. See, Hemant. What is that? Hemant is the actually chart name. Yes, sir. With some number, dynamic number. See, in deployment also will create pods mark. Their dynamic names it will take. In the same way, dynamically taking one number. These are the look like unique only, right? 19, 26, 28. Is it okay for you? Yes. By using which flag quick response? Hyphen generate name flag will create dynamic release names. Dynamic release names. Anyone facing any difficulty here, please? Shall I move on? Good. Now, in Helm, nearly 10 to 15 flags are there now. Max 10 to 15 flags, if you remember, we can easily manage the things. See, there generate. Remaining things are very common. You know it. See, show resources, no need to tell once again. Wherever show resources is there, right? Status. Wherever you want to see revisions, history. Got it or not? See, I think the chapter is finished. Is it okay for you? I'm going to again. I think this is the sixth one. Yes. Now we move on to one more. That's what I told. For me, very simple. For you, little bit you need to manage. See, helm install atomic. This is also very powerful concept. Somewhere explain, you have seen something you may do little problem, there you may get failed. Failed releases, have you seen somewhere? Have you seen? Maybe I may try in front of you. You may get failed release. Then we may talk. Then we may talk. What happens? You have to see failures. Now, I think chart 20 to install, right? So chart 22. Where is that? Now, I think this one, right? Chart 20. I think chart 3 also we did, right? Chart 3. Okay, may go for chart 3, man. Good. Then I may give a new name. We may get again conflict, maybe 33, no problem. But even though different name, are you agree with me? See, are you able to see? Anyone can read it. Maybe it got failed or not because of existing chart using one node port. Same node port we are using. Node port conflict happen. She got already married, assume. I am trying to marry. I am taking concept like that. Her husband will come and talk to me. Hey, she is liar. She is doing something. Okay? Be careful. Beware of dogs like that. He will tell. In the same way, node port matches. That's why. Now, what was the problem? Our way. Helm ls. Check it. Helm ls. Now, What you are able to see here, helm ls somewhere, are you see failed? Not able to see or able to see here? Yes. Where is the failed? Yeah, chart 33. See, what is the use of failed releases? No? See, unfortunately, I am trying, it got failed, it got keep on failing. Again, I am saying, my boss may say, may ask me, hey Lakshmi, what are you doing? Are you really, do you know Helm or not? Because of it is failing, right? If it is installed properly, it will show. If not installed, automatically it will erase. That is the atomic. Atomic means dynamically it will check internally. If something wrong, it will erase. If everything is fine, it will keep. That is good, right? For that, we will go for. Again, I may try to uninstall this one. I may try to install by using atomic concept. Now guide me, help, uninstall. There, chart 33. Good. Now I may try to work with atomic concept. Same thing I can implement. See, helm install. Where is the hyphen atomic is there? Check it. Hyphen atomic. That's all right. Yes. I'm trying to add only one flag hyphen atomic in front of you only. Already I did that thing. You may see up arrow. This one only correct, right? Yes. Hyphen atomic atomic. It may try invalid. It is giving message only. But what I need to check help. Yes. LS, right? Check it. Are you able to see anywhere uninstalled, failed? Are you able to see my failed releases? Yes. Is it good or not? If everything is fine, then only it will deploy. Otherwise, it may erase. See, for failed one also, it occupies some memory. To avoid unnecessary things, simply you may use automatic. That's all. The chapter may finish, I think, 99%. Check it. Now you have seen atomic. Atomic. Here, one more thing is there. See, check it here. In a ready state before marking the release as successful, it will wait for as long as hyphen timeout. What is the timeout it is taking? Max 5 minutes. Now timeout, time to wait for an individual Kubernetes operation. But till now you don't know the word hook concept. Hook will tell before and after. Hook, generally hook is there, right? Everybody know the meaning of hook. It can attach with before after. We'll discuss only hook concept. No, that is also very powerful for migration purpose, for backup purpose. We can work with hook concept. See, if I try to install a chart Azure, prerequisite is required. Hook will go and get it all the prerequisites. If I try to delete the chart, before deleting, it will go and take the backup. Sometimes needed, right? If it is any database related, maybe database deployment is there. Unfortunately, I am going to uninstall. It will uninstall automatically. If I want to get it existing things, how can I get it? Hook will take care to place somewhere. It will take the backup. At that time, you go for hook concept. Is there any special thing? Are you observing? See, similar thing 3-1, 2-3-1, provided both is already allocated. Already allocated or not? In our scenario also, you have seen. See, overall, here what is the advantage of atomic? What atomic will do? If something wrong, it won't install. If everything is fine, then only it. We never see failed releases. We never see failed releases. When we can never see failed releases, which by using which flag? Atomic flag. Anyone facing any difficulty? Even this chapter also completed. Shall I move on to one more chapter? Now observe. One step back. Now see my helm with the namespace. Namespace. Generally, see, I'm asking to you, see dev namespace. stage namespace, production namespace. See, I want to install my application. Maybe I want to install my chart on any one namespace, on any one namespace. Maybe try to tell me what can I do. First, without creating namespace, automatically system will taking care to install in any one namespace. That is not possible. Default is also existing. My intention is what? Please observe. I am showing you in front of you. Then only you can understand. There, kubectl get ns. See, here is there any dev namespace? Please respond. My intention, I want to install my release in the dev namespace. Maybe help somewhere already there, right? Now go for this one. Change the naming convention. Maybe I may go for 34. Not there, right? Yes. Good. There. Hyphen here. You know hyphen here. There. Hyphen and correct only, right? Yes. So if I press enter, what it might observe? It is checking for, hey, Lakshmi, I am trying to create, failed to create namespace dev not found. Very simple thing, you know it. What is that thing? Create. kubectl, kubectl, create ns dev. After this, if you deploy, if you try to install, here installing is nothing but deploying the chart. We may try. Is it working right? Because of port problem. Port conflict is the problem. You know, it will deploy. If you want to see previous one, you need to remove it. Or else in front of you, I may do in this way. You may understand. Helm install. I am going to take Hammond. HEMANTH. Or agree with me? Yes. It will what happened? That name already there. 35. It will work for us. See, is it installed or not? Everybody observe it. But so you don't know the namespace here. You didn't create it. But dynamically, system wants to generate one namespace. Is it required? Yes. We can do it by using help. Without creating namespace prior. If you want to create namespace dynamically, yes, it will create. Then only it can install the application by using this concept. There hyphen hyphen. Now check it. Hyphen hyphen. One flag is there. That namespace related. See namespace. See namespace dev hyphen hyphen create namespace. See, this is common. Hyphen hyphen namespace dev. What is the flag here? This is the flag. Hyphen hyphen create namespace. Shall we go for that? Now, same thing, same way. Now, what to do here? There. Hemant is okay. Now, I want to go with production. Please respond. Hyphen hyphen namespace PROD production hyphen hyphen create hyphen namespace. If I am not wrong, it will create. Now even I am not giving this, I may go with atomic mark. I may go with at the end atomic worker. Hyphen hyphen atomic is good. Not automatically it will take, right? Atomic is which purpose, man? No. Okay, atomic goal. I want to give dynamic names. What I said for dynamic names? Atomic only, right? Atomic. Hyphen hyphen ATOMS. I may try once. So generate was generate only? Yes. Okay. Hyphen hyphen generate. What is the flag I use, man? Hyphen hyphen. Generate something else.
Hyphen name.
Yes. Generate name, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes. See, two things happen here. Two things happens here. kubectl get and let's check it. First, you need to check that prod is there. Yes, prod is there. In that prod only, our application got deployed. And also, it is taking one new release name. New release name. Is it okay for you? This total chapter will tells us, okay, there hyphen hyphen create namespace. This is the flag. Hyphen hyphen create namespace. See, your intake, what I'm trying to say, just you need to memorize these things. Otherwise, not an easy task to remember everything. multiple times. If you practice, then only we can understand. Till now, everybody clear or not? Please respond. Now, up to 8 we finished. Maybe from 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, nearly 5 folders, 5 chapters I completed those. Like the tomorrow, we may go for maybe 5 or 5 plus. Helm is again, I am telling very simple. When if you implement multiple times. Up to this, anyone facing any difficulty, please respond. Maybe try to implement properly. First, what I am expecting from everyone in Ubuntu till now, who is having who is having cluster, please respond. Now, client cluster I am asking to. What I am expecting? kubectl get nodes, get nodes. This multi-node cluster have you created or not? If not, today 99% everyone try it. If any difficulty, again message me. I'll if anyone is facing difficulty, maybe before connecting, again I may provide message on general message. If anyone facing difficulty, those people also try to connect to our maybe within the same link. Maybe they can also understand what to do, what not. I think till now, do you have Monica? No, right?
Yes, sir.
Created. Good. Now,
Ah,
now you created. Any other who is created? I think Anvesh created. Others, hmm, Madhav is not created. And remaining are maybe even Hemant, you are trying to create today. You may create today evening,
Yes, sir. I'll
night.
try.
Okay. Okay. Everyone tried because of without cluster, very complex to implement these things. Very easy to understand. Maybe you may open next chapter. You may understand here itself. Observe. What is the chapter next chapter? Chapter itself is giving the meaning. Helm C override values. In interview, even remaining chapters, they may know, they don't know, leave it. Even many developers don't know these words, but every developer must know this word. Why? Industry 99% they are going to override values only. You know the meaning of overriding. Somewhere I said, what is the meaning of override, Monica? Overriding means redefining. Overriding means redefining. What we are going to redefining? Existing values. See, there replica count 1 is there. What I am going to do? Replica count maybe 3. What I am trying to do? Overriding. Replica count already 5 is there. I want to do with 3. Or again, what I am doing? Override. One more thing. See, dev values is there, prod values is there, stage values is there. I may create how many values files? 3 values. Dev values, production values, and maybe stage values. How many types of deployments I may do? Dev related deployment, production related deployment, stage related. That is the industry standard one. By using one chart, I can deploy multiple deployments. That is good, right? Very little modifications. I might apply for development. I might apply for QA. I might apply for production. See, Helm again simplifies the deployment process. Okay, tomorrow we may concentrate on work with values. Is it okay for you? Okay. Shall I wind the session or anyone facing any
yes.
difficulty? Good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Good.